Good morning, Global Studies. Welcome to Distance Learning. I want to take a couple minutes to show you how our Schoology homepage is going to be laid out, and then I will go through our daily instructions for the week of November 12th through 18th. Only things I want to point out is our Zoom links are up top here. This very first one is what you will use to attend class every day. And then we have Miss M's Zoom link if you work with her, along with Mrs. Hanson's Zoom link as well right on top. The next thing I want to point out is all of our weekly folders are now going to be from the newest week or the current week on top, and then we'll go down from there. So our newest folder each week will be the first one that you need to go to. That way you don't have to scroll as much. So taking a look at what we have going on this week, we'll take a look at our November 12th through 18th daily instructions. All right, and here we go. So let's make sure first and foremost that we are continuing to use this as a checklist for the week. So please make sure you're uploading this into Notability and crossing every item off as we go. So for Thursday, you are going to watch the video that talks about the English science fiction writing that you are going to be doing. And then you can also use the document found in your English teachers folder to help you begin writing your story. You're going to want to begin writing your story today as well. And remember that you want to be using your notes from Adopt a Country that we worked on last week in your author's notes to help develop your story. Same thing on Friday. It's just going to be a writing day. So you're going to continue writing your story. And remember to keep in mind some of those notes that you took for your Adopt a Country so that you can use them maybe for the setting or character development or the plot. Monday, then, we have a video that you will watch that will talk a little bit more specifically in some strategies you can use in combining or infusing some of that information from your Adopt a Country into writing your paragraph. And then you can use the Global Infusion paragraph instructions to help start to include your notes on your Adopt a Country into your story if you haven't already been doing that. Monday, you'll also just continue writing your story and again, paying close attention to making sure your notes from Adopt a Country are developing in your story. That's going to be really what we are looking for in Global is how you used those Adopt a Country notes that you took last week to help develop your story. Tuesday, again, we're going to continue writing, and you will, again, just make sure that you're using those notes from Adopt a Country. Wednesday will be the final day to work on this in Global Studies before we move on to a new topic in Global. So what you will do is continue working on the story. Your final draft will be due the day before Thanksgiving, that Wednesday, and a more specific date will be announced tomorrow, but it will be that Monday or Wednesday through in the week before Thanksgiving. For your CNN 10, the due date is going to be on Wednesday, November 25th. So you have 2 weeks to, just like we always have, to watch your 4 CNN 10 episodes and respond to them. That's all we have for the week. To summarize, it's really just going to be a week to be working on the story that you are writing in English. So that's all we have. We will see you on Zoom and talk to you then.